Okay, so back again, I'm trying to do the 150 exercises without looking at the solutions for basic Java from the W3Resource.com website. And I'm on question 17. And I already did all of that. I did code all of that. So I'm trying to write a Java program to add two binary numbers. This is 2 plus 3 equals 5, which in Java in binary code is 101. I just think I'm right. So I'm trying to do this without looking at the solution down here, because the point is for me to learn and get used to Java and get good at Java. So in my journey to do that, here's how far I've come along. In fact, let me show you this instead. Uh, yeah, let's switch tabs right here. This is my code. We'll go over it slowly, just a little later. Okay, and switching to my IDE. Okay, this is what the code does. It's testing. So I am not actually adding here. I am, what is this? Oh my God, what is going on here? So what I'm doing here is mimicking the binary number additions. Okay, and I have these messages here to test the outcome. Now, I'm not adding it right yet. I'm just testing the flag, testing the code part by part. So I've been making algorithms to code each step, right? And so far, this is how far I've come along. But this is not the final product, and I still need to review this code so that my if statements are delivering the ones and zero to the proper location. So I have binary one and binary two. I think this is 86. I think this is 57, I believe. Carryover and sum. All right. Now this is a cycle. I gotta keep track of the cycle. Static I only is equal to one or zeros. There's only one place because I use that for carryover, which only has one place, of course. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you. I have this class which prints binary value. Okay, let's enter. Let's do a distraction frame rate. It's not supposed to happen. Let me remember my shortcuts for this time. Hmm. Okay, distraction free mode is F9. Control Shift F9. Got it. Thank you. Okay. And you're not. Okay. So here you have one code that prints a binary number. See that? Let's try it again. Let's do code. Let's do 793. This is the binary code per my code. And this is the binary code per Java's integer to binary string method. So I use it to test my code right here. You'll find out that this is correct. Okay, so let's bring this down and where is that? I can remove this right here. Okay, and you see, let's comment that out. And let's run the code one more time. And let's see what happens. Let's enter 333. And there's my code. And if you Google that, you will see that it's correct. My code actually prints out the correct binary number. Yeah, so 333. Right. So if you just go to, let's go to, let's go ahead and paste it. See that my code is right. It's 333, see? All right, so I got it right. All right, so this is my algorithm. And we're going to look it over because I want to make sure that it does the correct number. So let's understand here what's happening. Binary code 1, over here, binary code 2. If binary code 1 and binary code 2 equals 1, because they're not equal 0, then if carryover is 1, then some cycle will be 1. Because first, if you have two binary numbers of 1, if you're adding two ones, then what goes below is 0. And here we're only adding two binary numbers, not 3. So top 1, bottom 1, then it has to be 0. And you carry over 1. But here we have an extra 1 number, so it's 1 below and another 1 to carry over. So carryover stays 1, some cycle is 1 as opposed to 0. However, if carryover is 0, carryover becomes 1 because you carry over 1, and some cycle becomes 0. Okay, the sum is 0 below. Increase the cycle. All right, so that's what it's supposed to do. But I want to test this code right here. Okay, I want to test this code. And I want to go ahead and let's switch to what is this? I don't know why Google keeps popping up. Let's click Google. Okay, so all right. So I want to test that code. Let's take this out. There's my other class. This one also inputs prints a binary number. Let's run this one. I'm going to show this one. Let's run this class. So I need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I missed the 3. Okay, this is supposed to do. No, this one doesn't print the binary number yet. This class I developed it to be able to print the number that I input in reverse, because I'm going to use that on this class right here, binary 3, which let's show what that is. On this one, because these numbers, they're going to be add up backwards. So when I print the binary number, I have to reverse it. So that's why I did this class, the print to binary number Java. Okay, that's what that class was. Okay, so now that I've explained what I've done so far, let's go ahead and pause this video and start a new one so we can start working, because this video is becoming too long.